Previously on Bumbling Tourist. We biked for 10 kilometers all over Bagan, the ancient capital of Myanmar. And we explored a mere fraction of the 10,000 temples.
Ningalaba.
We're in Myanmar.
That's adventure.
Good way to have an afternoon after biking around 10 kilometers in the 34 degree heat.
Although strangely stressful in its own right.
Yeah. But worth it?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna jump in there?
Definitely.
In the pretty pool. The shades match his swim trunks. Pretty dapper.
You think so?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Passed the dapper test.
Yeah. Although your outfit very much screams 80s.
What's that?
Your outfit very much screams 80s,
Sure.
early 90s. No, the
Shirtless in the 80s?
violent neon shorts and the neon glasses. Yeah. I guess I should come in soon.
You gonna swim?
Oh, this is the Tarantino shot. The Tarantino shot, patented. After a quick dip, we ventured just outside the old Bagan city walls to a restaurant called Kang Shui Hua Vegetarian Restaurant. I'm absolutely loving how easy it is to be vegetarian in this country.
There's a lot of vegetarian restaurants.
It's a vegetarian paradise.
Indeed.
And even if it's not a vegetarian restaurant, there's always a vegetarian option, right?
Yeah.
So I've been able to pretty much exclusively have just vegetarian food. You as well?
Yep.
Even on our boat, we had the option of vegetarian.
I've been cheating at breakfast.
Yeah, you've been eating some meat, but on vacation you eat meat occasionally. But maybe you should stop.
Probably.
But yeah, this is a really cool vegetarian restaurant that's just outside the old town of Bagan. We love the place that we found in Yangon. That was awesome. Don't want any food yet, buddy. I was trying to decipher where the smell of incense is coming from because it's delightful and amazing, and it's at my feet. I wish the camera could smell that. It smells amazing, eh?
Yeah.
Got the pumpkin curry. What did you get there, mister?
Vegetable pizza.
What's on it?
It is delicious. There are so many vegetables. Carrot, corn, and mushrooms, and it's a green deliciousness. The sauce is more of like a savory sort of barbecue sauce, or like okonomiyaki sauce sort of thing.
Come to this vegetarian place. Do it. It's called this. Those little brown guys are delicious. But I've heard that jackfruit is much like durian.
Oh really?
So frightened of that guy.
What was that place in Toronto? The
Hog something?
yeah, the Hog's Head.
Hogtown Vegan?
The vegan place. I remember having artificial pulled pork that was made with jackfruit, and it was delicious.
But without sauce. I wonder what it tastes like. Will you be brave enough and try some?
For sure.
I will try some after, but let's...
Go eat one of these first, and I'll have a fork at my disposal.
Are they candied?
Not candied, but they're in a sauce.
No.
98% of Myanmar is Buddhist, meaning a lot of people are vegetarian here. In Burmese, Thut Thut La means vegetarian, or literally translated, it means lifeless.
Anything like durian? Anything like durian?
Much, much better. I think you'd like it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I'm terrified of trying durian.
It was a seed.
I'm a baby, apparently.
Because you and
Yeah, I
Beth
really like that.
tried durian and I couldn't. Okay.
There's like a garlicky thing going on with durian, plus it smells horrible, and this has neither of those detractors.
Alright, wish me luck, camera. It does have a distinctively garbage taste.
No. I
Yep.
disagree.
And then it tastes like banana. Very bitter.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
By the end,
Incredibly bitter.
you'll think it's sweet once you eat more of it.
Do I have to? It tastes like
You don't
like
it?
the medicine you have as a kid, like bitter banana medicine as a child.
I'm not familiar with that reference.
Oh. Can you eat this?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
You're weird. I'll go with the ginger candy. Selfie man in the middle, taking selfies.
I think it's healthy.
We wanted to mention that this series was filmed in February 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release these videos in this series, it's 2021, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We certainly are no authority on what's going on, but we definitely encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.